Hi, it's Anli. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to get texture in your landscapes. I'm going to use a little bit of my texture paste. I'm just going to put it here in front where I want the land to be. You can decide if you're going to put it around everything or just maybe on certain areas. It's up to you. I'm just going to put it here now. I'm going to do a little bit of it there at the back. Something like that. I've got this catalyst wedge and I've got a bamboo skewer. I'm just going to make some marks into this. I'm going to use this and I'm going to put it in front. Let me just try this. I'm going to make the front like that. And then the back ones I'm going to make a little bit smaller. So I'll just come out like that. And then that one can maybe go in that direction. Let me just fix that area there. I'm not sure. I think I must maybe put a little bit of texture onto this little house as well. So I'm just going to put on the... I've actually got a too big palette knife for this job, but it's alright. I'm just going to do this where I want the trees. Just want to make a tree trunk there. And I think that's all I'm gonna do here. I can maybe just get a little bit of the paper. I can maybe make a door there if I like. Maybe a window. Another window there and another window there. You can maybe just put the chimneys down like that. Just make certain I put the roof on nicely. And then I'm very tempted to put in a moon or something in there. Okay, I'm going to put this aside to let it dry, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how to paint on top of this. Okay, you can see this is dry now. So the colors I'm going to use to paint this is my acrylics. It's white, cadmium red, cadmium orange, cadmium yellow, Paynes grey and blue. So we will see what we are going to do with that. So I'm going to start with the sky and come down. there you go. I think I'm finished. Very, very easy little landscape for you to do. The texture paste almost does all the work for you. So I hope you enjoyed this, and hope you learned something from this. Everyone can paint, even if you haven't painted it before. I believe everyone can paint. It's just a matter of you need to exercise it. It's like riding a bike. So yeah, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like it, please come back and watch another video. I will appreciate a lot. And subscribe, and have a fantastic day.